Let's read Peppa Pig Hearing Test. Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, Peppa, George and Baby Evie are on their way to Evie's first hearing test. "Can you say your name, Evie?" asks Peppa. "She's a bit too young to talk, Peppa," says Mummy Pig. Evie makes a noise which sounds a little bit like Evie. "Wow, that was nearly her name," says Mummy Pig. "Your turn, George. Say Evie," says Peppa. "Dinosaur," says George. "No, George," says Peppa, laughing. "Try my name first. Say Peppa." But George does not want to say Peppa's name. "No," shouts George. Soon they arrive at the doctor's. The family goes in to see Dr. Brown Bear. "We've come for Evie's first hearing test," says Mummy Pig. "And George won't say my name," Peppa tells Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear is thoughtful. "Maybe all three of the children could do a hearing test," he says. "Yes," says Peppa. She is very excited. "Yes," says George. He is very excited too. Even Baby Evie wiggles her arms and legs and smiles. "Great, let's go to the audiology room," says Dr. Brown Bear. The audiology room is where the audiologist helps people with their hearing. "Can you do a hearing test for Evie, Peppa and George, please?" Dr. Brown Bear asks the audiologist. "Yes," says the audiologist. "Let's test Evie's hearing first." She picks up a special hearing test tool. "I will put this into each of Evie's ears," she says. "It will make a sound. We will see if Evie hears it." Everyone must be very quiet while Evie is having her hearing test. When the noise plays in her ears, she giggles. "Good, Evie's hearing is fine," says the audiologist. "Peppa and George, I will do your hearing test now." Peppa and George sit down at two desks. They each have headphones, a bucket, and some building blocks. Peppa and George put on the headphones. Every time they hear a beep, they must put a block in the buckets. Beep! Peppa and George both put a block in the buckets. Beep! Peppa and George put another block in the buckets. Beep! Peppa puts a block in the bucket. George does not. Beep! Only Peppa puts a block in the bucket again. Peppa and George's hearing test has finished. "How did they do on the test?" asks Daddy Pig. "Really well," says the audiologist, "but George has moderate hearing loss." Daddy Pig is surprised. "But George was fine with his hearing test when he was a baby," he says. "Hearing loss can develop as you get older," says the audiologist. "Do not worry, George. It just means that some sounds are harder for you to hear," she says. "But you can wear something to help you hear better. A hearing aid," says the audiologist. She puts some putty in George's ear. It comes out the same shape as the inside of his ear. The putty goes into a special machine and a hearing aid comes out. The audiologist puts it in George's ear. George giggles. Then he stops and listens. He has just heard his laugh louder than ever before. He laughs again. George loves the sound of his laugh. Everyone loves the sound of George's laugh.